To record a screen in OnePlus 13, first we need to swipe our finger from top of the screen, swipe down again, and that way you'll find a quick access icons. You can browse through them. In this case, I have 2 pages and there's a screen recorder right here. If you don't see it in those icons, click on the 3 dots in the top right corner of the screen, select Edit Tiles, and then from More Tiles in the bottom find a Screen Recorder and add it with the plus button. Now you should see it in the quick icons. Click on Screen Recorder and then adjust the settings to your liking, like record a system sounds and microphone sounds. You can begin recording and you will see it right here on the capsule. When it's red, that means it's recording. There's also a time. You can click on it like that to pop it open and pause your recording or stop it. There's also the settings that we've enabled or disabled previously. And finally, let's just save this video, click on the pop-up, and here's our video playing right now.